Hello everyone, welcome to online lecture of Standard 10 History Chapter 5 Mass Media and History. Today we are going to study Introduction to Mass Media. Mass media contains two words. Mass in this context means an aggregation of people, that is a number of cluster. Media means various modes of communication. Thus, mass media is a field of mass communication. We can easily send some information to a far away destination through a medium of communication. In the olden days, a crier would run in the streets beating drums and crying out important news according to the orders of the king. The news would spread among people by word of mouth. History of mass media. Printing technology and newspapers were introduced in India after the arrival of the British. People started receiving printed news through newspapers. Newspapers became the first mass medium of circulating information and knowledge among people. Now, newspapers. Newspaper is a publication which mainly prints news, editorials, people's opinions, entertaining or other supplementary content. It is printed and distributed regularly at a definite time. Newspapers provide various local, national, and international news. Newspapers are historical documents which record current events. There are many newspapers like Times of India, Indian Express, Maharashtra Time, Lok Satta, and so on. Now, precursors of newspapers. Precursors means a person or thing. Before the beginning of the Common Era, there was a custom in Egypt of placing inscriptions with royal decrees at public place. Decrees means law. Emperor Ashoka also resorted to similar method to reach out to his subjects. In the Roman Empire, royal decrees were written on papers and those were distributed in all regions. They also contained the information of various events taking place in the nation and its capital. During Julius Caesar's reign, newspapers known as Acta Diurna, meaning acts of every day, used to be placed at public places in Rome. It was a very effective way of conveying royal commands to people. In the 7th century CE, royal dictates were distributed among people at public places. In England, handouts used to be distributed occasionally, giving information about wars or important events. Travelers arriving from far away would add spice to stories from those places and narrate it to local people. The ambassadors of a king posted at various places would send back important news to the royal court.